Fans of flashy, high-horsepower pickups have a new choice on the menu. It's a familiar recipe, but for 2021 it's baked in the fresh styling of the current generation Ford F-150. Shelby's Super Snake truck is back, but as always, owning that power and pizzazz will set you back a few bucks. The 2021 Shelby F-150 Super Snake delivers all the same pomp and circumstance Shelby fans enjoyed from previous Snake badge super trucks, but with a bit more power. Specifically, the top-tier Super Snake now boasts 775 horsepower, 5 more than you used to get. A supercharger fitted to the F-150's 5-liter V8 supplies the brunt of that extra force, though the engine also gains a bevy of extra upgrades to make the most of the boost. A Borla exhaust makes sure your neighbors hear you coming. The tweaks don't stop under the hood. The truck also gains a full suspension upgrade with coilovers in front and adjustable shocks at the rear. New upper control arms, rear traction bars, and a new rear sway bar are added. On two-door Super Snake trucks, the suspension is lowered and the brakes are upgraded. Regardless of the doors, 22-inch wheels and high-performance street tires sit at the corners. This truck isn't built for off-roading. However, it does still turn all four wheels if you want. The Shelby upgrades are fitted to Ford F-150 XLT Lariat 4x4 models, though the Shelby body kit might not appreciate crawling down trails. You'll find a new front fascia with a splitter down low, ground effects along the sides, a painted rear bumper, fender flares, fender vents, striping galore, and of course, there's a massive Shelby grille. Inside you'll find more Shelby branding along with a two-tone leather interior, tinted windows, billet pedals, and cool floor mats. Each truck also carries a CSM numbered dash plaque identifying its specific production number. Speaking of which, Shelby will build 600 F-150 Super Snakes for 2021-300 with 2 doors and 300 with 4. As such, pricing varies depending on body style and your choice of power, because the supercharged V8 isn't required. The top-tier Super Snake will set you back $113,680, but if you stick with the stock 400 horsepower V8 in a 2-door, the price falls to $90,790. The 2-door Super Snake Sport with the supercharged V8 starts at $98,690, while the naturally aspirated 4-door starts at $105,708. The new F-150 Super Snake is available now for order through select Tuscany and Ford dealers in North America.